Oh, sweet. This is our boat driver, Danny. And the girl is Kristen. Stranded on her boat, but she's pretty darn cool. Food. Megan is asleep or trying to be. I'm not quite sure.
Megan.
She's out. Let's see what she says.
So if you had
Wall of love. This is the Mikey. Scariest room on the houseboat. It's where we keep our stuff. Emily! I'm filming. I'm taking a tour of the boat. Oh, really?
I'm just kidding, go ahead.
Kate, wait, no. Wait, Kate. I'm filming and I'm trying to do a tour of the boat, but for this week, you gotta show the creeper. I love you. This is where we live. Hey guys, I'm filming. I'm trying to do a tour of the boat. Hello.
I just wanted to tell you one story high. There's not really a ceiling. This is it.
This is our bedroom. It's very open space.
Yeah, we can see under the stars, and the rain, and the storms, and anything you can think of.
And we did.
Is that a video?
Yes, I'm filming it.
Hi.
Oh, old Delta tradition, sunscreen must apply, or you will burn.
Burn so badly.
Pits of hell.
Lifesaver.
I'm trying to give a tour of the boats. That way, it's, you know. I'm trying.
This is
Kristen's. I just put my memory card in.
Oh, nice.
Using the brain.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Layla. I'm sorry. Layla. How you doing?
Video of those
Katie, you know that song that's like insane in the membrane?
Technology. I don't remember. Insane in the membrane. I don't know. What exactly are you two doing?
We're dancing to technology.
Technology.
Watch out.
Motor. Girls, come on down. And this is the coolest leader ever. Hi. It's Camp Store. Guys, come on down. Lunchtime.
I don't want to do that.
TV. In the TV.
Can you stick this on one of the